Alright, I just got my Fabspeed headers, and this is the first opening of the box. Quite an ordeal getting these all the way home. Had shipping snafus with UPS. Let's see what these guys are. Alright. There is the one header. Wow, these things do look like a work of art. You can feel the smooth tubes and great. That is smooth as can be. You can't even feel it. There's a little bit of a bump there. I may actually even take a grinder and just touch that a little bit. And same here, just a tiny bit. But nice welds. Yeah, these are beautiful. A work of art. I've heard other people comment this too, that these things are just really a work of art. Very nice. Take one side, take the other. And it looks like the same thing here. Again, for the most part, man, you can run your finger down those, nice and smooth. You got a little bit of a edge there. Like I said, I think I'll trim that out. Just barely touch it up. But other than that, very nice. Very, very nice. Can't wait to put these on and show you how they sound. You can look in the catalyst end there. And again, look through the ports. Let me get a light. Scratch them. So, this gives you an idea what it looks like in the ports. I'm impressed with this flange. That is a really thick flange. It's more than a flange. That actually goes down the portaways to where the tube starts. That is really quite nice. Really robust, because that'll be very warp resistant. And if you look, I've got, looks like the warranty information. It came with, these are the collector bolts. So basically when you take the header out, I've already had to replace some of mine. The 3-bolt flange that goes to the mufflers, they have some nuts that are kind of welded in there. They usually all break off. Every one of mine did. And so this is to replace those bolts with some brass nuts. That's kind of nice. And let's see. There. I've got the two gaskets, one that goes in each head, and the 2 flange gaskets that go to the tailpipe. So yeah, everything looks like it arrived in good shape. And next stop, installation. Very excited for that. I may not be able to wait, and we'll just do it this weekend. So we'll see. Of course, it's middle of winter, and normally it's freezing out this time of year, but this year, amazingly, it's almost 50 today. So, there you have it. Fabspeed headers. and delivery and what it looks like when they came in the box. And so far, first impression, very, very good. Very good. I'm impressed. Happy.